Get 24/7 live video from inside the Big Brother house with the Big Brother live feeds. Go to cbs.com/bb18 to try it for free.
Roadkill!
Damn it!
I want a nap.
Woo! BB Roadkill time, baby! Let's get in that RV.
I'm walking in the backyard, I see that BB RV, and I can't wait to walk inside and smell what BB's got cooking.
Oh my God, that's disgusting. Oh.
It smells worse than a porta potty at the Jersey Shore after an all-you-can-eat wings competition. I mean, this thing is disgusting.
The air fresheners don't even smell good. Welcome to the 4th Big Brother Roadkill competition. Uh-oh. Uncle Austin ate some bad fast food and is stinking up the BBRV. Your goal is to eradicate the odor by hanging as many air fresheners as possible in the shortest amount of time. When you're ready, begin with the red, then blue, then yellow, then green. If at any point an air freshener hits the ground, that air freshener is out of play and will not count towards your final score. The person to hang the most air fresheners within the time limit will win this Big Brother Roadkill competition and earn the power to secretly nominate a 3rd house guest for eviction. Are you ready to play Gasping for air? I sure as hell am gasping for air.
As HOH, it would be ideal for me to win this roadkill and control all 3 nominations. I want to make sure that my plans to send Tiff home don't get flushed down the toilet. First, I gotta grab the red air freshener and put it on its red pipe. Then the blue, then the yellow, then the green. Now, the only difficult part about this is I'm still smelling Uncle Austin's bathroom blow up, and I'm trying not to pass out as I'm climbing over these pipes. As it comes down to it, I'm trying to save some time here, so I just start tossing the green ones all off to the side. It's the furthest one away. I don't want to waste any time.
Oh my gosh, it stinks really freaking bad in here.
Oh!
I really want to win this BB Roadkill competition because I feel like if Frank or Tiffany win this competition, they will probably put me up on the block. Oh.
Yo, Uncle Austin, how about a courtesy flush?
Oh my gosh.
Dang it, dang it, dang it.
I put one air freshener on the rope and then I look around. 2 more just fell off. This rope is almost as sensitive as Tiffany is, and that's really sensitive.
Oh my God, I'm gonna throw up. Oh my God, I'm gonna throw up.
This RV is disgusting. It smells like garbage sitting in the hot summer sun in the New York City subway.
Oh my God.
It smells so bad in here. Look, Uncle Austin, whatever you did in here is absolutely not friendship. My nose is pissed. The air fresheners are clearly pissed because none of them want to stay on the rope. The whole situation is pissed.
Oh my goodness. I don't know what Uncle Austin's doing in that bathroom, but it sure smells like he opened up a big bucket of stink bait and he's about to go catfishing.
Oh.
After last night's breakdown with Tiffany, I have to make sure that this girl does not win this BB Roadkill. She just might put me on the block. No.
This smells awful.
Something stinks in this house, and it's not just Uncle Austin. I want to win this roadkill because right now, it's possible that Nicole and Corey have been lying to me the whole time, and I want to have the chance to take a shot at them in case that information happens to be true.
No.
I want to give somebody else a taste of how it feels to be on the block, and I'm ready to flip this house upside down.
Hey everyone, it's now time to secretly reveal the BB Roadkill winner. Inside everyone's tackle box, it will reveal if you've won or lost. Remember, the person who wins will have the power to secretly nominate a third person for eviction. It is up to the winner to decide whether or not to share the results with any of their housemates. Go to your tackle box now, take a peek, and good luck.
It's the moment of truth. I gotta see if I'm the winner so that I can make that third nominee. It says loser. I'm disappointed, but Tiffany's on the block and the votes are there to send her packing.
Of course, I see loser 4th time in a row, you know. I'm just really hoping that Tiffany doesn't win because right now she won't even look me in the face.
I'm holding that tackle box in my hand, and I'm about to open it up. I don't feel super confident, but hey, I didn't feel confident for my first 2 wins. Maybe this time it'll say winner 2. Ow. It says loser. At this point, I'm just hoping that Tiffany or Bridget won, because Tiffany is definitely going to shake things up, and Bridget, we'll work together on who to put up.
This has been a really tough week so far, and I am just hoping that there's a silver lining out there and that I see a win in this box. Oh, the BB gods have spoken. I've won this roadkill, and I feel amazing right now. I really want to shift the power in this house and hit Polly where it hurts the most.
Very pissed. Not stoked.